Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. It's very windy today, but I'm gonna try to give you guys an update on what we're doing today. We are going to be putting on the starter wiring harness on the 5.0 because that runs underneath the motor. We don't want to have to deal with that once the motor is already in. Then we are going to be installing the gearbox onto the 5.0, that's the bell housing there. Putting on the motor mount, the trans mounts, and then we're gonna get it into the car, and everything else should be from the top side after that. This is the gearbox now. We're gonna have to mate it to the bell housing, and then we're gonna have to put it on the motor. Won't be recording much of this today. If there's any specific part of this swap that you want me to show you guys, you can leave a comment down in the comment section, and I'll make a whole video on what you guys want to see. So I'm gonna get to work. Already bruised up my hand for the day. You know, all these engine builds require blood sacrifice, so let's get to finishing this up. Right. Oh, right there.
Hope you gonna edit that shit out.
That's the edit. Alright, so it's been a long, hard day, but the 4.6 was out from the last video. Now we have the 5.0 sitting inside the Mustang. We had issues with the flywheel where the box wasn't going over it, so we're gonna have to order the right flywheel. Somehow I got the wrong one. I have a clutch for it, just need the proper flywheel for it. So we're gonna call it quits for today. We gotta order the right parts and then we'll get back to it. I can't even do any of the fueling or the hooking up of anything in the motor because we're gonna pull it back out, attach the trans to it, and then put it back in. So that'll be it for today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching.